Clearlighting neons are widely applied in various projects, so how to select the right mounting profile for different installation way? Hi, I'm Melinda. When the neon is facing upward, any types of mounting profile will be available. For example, the most simple one, the standard aluminum profile. Based on this profile, we launched the flange aluminum profile for the flush mount and the bendable stainless steel profile for the curves. It's very flexible and it's able to bend vertically and horizontally. Serrated aluminum profiles are also available. While for vertical and upside-down mounting, you want your profiles to have high gripping force because the lighting fixture might fall out of the channel after a period of time if it is not tight enough. So we propose this serrated aluminum profile. The silicone insert can secure the fixture firmly and is strong enough to hold up 50 times the weight of light. Based on this serrated aluminum profile, we also developed the flange serrated aluminum profile for the flush mounts and the bendable serrated aluminum profile for the curved installation. Okay, let's move on to the profiles for underwater projects. For submerged neon, thickened plastic profile will be a perfect fit, which is resistant to corrosion and fracture. While in highly corrosive liquids such as seawater, we'll recommend 316 stainless steel clip. It's only 35mm but offers a tight grip. Okay, let's wrap up this video with a quick recap. For upside down and vertical neon, choose serrated aluminum profile. For general installation, besides the serrated profile, standard aluminum profiles are also a good choice. For submerged projects like in swimming pool, we recommend thickened plastic profiles, while in highly corrosive liquids such as seawater, choose 316 stainless steel clip. Thank you so much for your time today. See you next time. Bye!